I thought it was fantastic, absolutely brilliant.
Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I loved every minute of it. He's my greatest hero, and I thought they presented it superbly.
I think it's a terrific contrast, the opening sort of operatic bit, and then leading into the sort of jazzy, more upbeat, and the dancing.
I think it's actually very exciting and very interesting because I like all the music and everything, and like how the music changes every time.
What particularly stood out for me was the middle Mandela character. I thought he was like just phenomenal. Yeah, I loved every single minute of it. It was brilliant. It was really, really good.
The singing was excellent, especially the guy playing Mandela and Willie. Really beautiful voices.
I thought it was amazing, like absolutely brilliant.
And they've managed to convey very well some really important points, but at the same time making it fun.
27 years in prison is absolutely gobsmacking. It's so inspiring.
Well, he's a 20th century icon.
It's so relevant today, actually, and it sort of reaffirms humanity and all we stand for.
I think we were the only ones with children there tonight, but they absolutely loved it.
Yeah, I recommend it to anybody.
Fantastic.
Exciting.
Go see it, you won't be disappointed.
It's a story that deserves to be told.
Exciting, amazing.
Sensational.